Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for a decade. I even forgot who I was for a second. I've been in private practice for 41 years. I have a whole team of former IRS agents, attorneys. Really, we all work together, and I've worked thousands of cases. I am a national expert. I've been in all the major TV stations. That's kind of enough about me. Go to my website at 777irs.com. I like to make tax relief easy for people. Being a revenue officer and work thousands of cases, people get really suckered into signing up with companies who advertise this bait, all about Fresh Start and all these little programs that are there. There's no programs out there, just so you know, none exist. They're all marketing bait or old programs that are there. So a lot of people get taken in by that and think, wow, isn't that kind of really cool? And oh my God, look at this. They can save me thousands and thousands of dollars. Most of that stuff really isn't true unless you run this by a true professional. God only knows how much money you're going to lose. So this is how tax relief really works. Here's the truth about that. So when I would get a case at IRS, this is how they still do it. The service center does this. The local office does this. They have to close the cases. All your bills come out. Your CP 14, your CP 14, 501, 503, 504, 1058. They all come out by computer generation. That's it. And then finally, your case winds up in this IRS computer because it hasn't been resolved. And now, it's game time. You better step up to the plate because IRS is now going to levy you and wage garnish and call your neighbors and send you certified notices. All you gotta do is really call IRS. That's it, but you must have a game plan. You can't call IRS without having a game plan and knowing what they're gonna do, and that's where it gets a little tricky. IRS is gonna take a financial statement, a 433D if it's up in the service center, a 433A if it's in a local office. At that point in time, they review it, and you know what? They close your case. They either put your case into a currently non-collectible or hardship, they put it into a payment agreement, or you may be able to settle your debt through the offer. The key is to know something about each one of the programs because your financial statement will 100% dictate how they're going to close the case. So nobody can tell you if you call any firm how in the hell your case is going to be resolved unless they see your financial statement. So don't fall for the suckers. Unless the person is an attorney, a CPA, enrolled agent, they can't represent you. So make sure you're speaking to an attorney, enrolled agent, CPA, or a former IRS agent who can represent you and really tell you the truth about IRS tax relief. But now you know your case is going to wind up in one of three areas I just told you, and your financial statement determines that. It's that simple. It's really, really simple. Anyway, if you need me, I'm always around. I answer my own phone if you call me. If you call that number, we don't have secretaries because we don't want you lost in the system. Anyway, give me a prescription. Give me a subscription if you would. I'd really appreciate it. And now you know the truth. Tax relief is really easy. Thank you very much for listening.